Reporter ya Ndizi TV ritirane nchenkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Amason Kingi nigo abagako rokyo mogoko yana wakambia mono uchiase abaseneta bonsi asoko mwegena na komochora asabaga kuriira yo chakobwatirana na barabwe rukuru wabokorera burubu bya guchiase abananchi.
I'm profoundly humbled and overwhelmed by the great honor and privilege you have bestowed upon me by electing me as your Speaker of the 4th Senate and the 13th Parliament of the Republic of Kenya. I'm deeply humbled and touched by the immense confidence and trust that you have placed on me. I therefore accept with humility and pledge that I shall perform to my utmost ability the constitutional responsibilities and duties of the office of the Speaker of the Senate for the next 5 years with due diligence and decorum. Distinguished Senators, allow me with great pleasure to congratulate and salute all of you, the new Senators of the 4th Senate, for emerging triumphant in the just concluded general elections after a bruising political contest. Your election to the high office of Senator of your various counties and constituencies is a demonstration of the faith and confidence that the electorate have in your capabilities to serve, transform,